Hey, I am Milad. Welcome to the introduction of the script importer and batch baker. To use the baker and renamer script, simply go to the edit section, then plugin, click on show user folder, and place the script you downloaded into this folder. Then click the refresh button. When you hit refresh, you can now see that the importer script has been added.
You just need to select one of the models. This script will automatically import all the models in the folder for you.
Now I will import my Highpoly and Lowpoly models, and after importing them, it is very easy. Look here, at my models, two models, this Lowpoly and Highpoly have been imported on top of each other and overlapped with correct naming. Be sure to pay close attention to the naming and hit Start Bake. And when you hit Start Batch, it might give you an error because we haven't specified a bake project. So specify one bake project for your bake project to find a file save path for where you want your files to be saved. You can put any name here because it will change the name itself later, and you can select the maps you need here. For example, I have set Albedo here, material ID, ambient occlusion, and now I will remove these normals. I'll remove object normals so that we have the main normals. I will also check the height box, and then I'll go to this script and hit the Start Bake button here. Let me split the screen so you can understand what is happening. In this stage, Start Batch Bake, as you can see, it completely performed the baking process for us, did all the necessary tasks itself, and arranged the models in the required places. And if at some point we have downloaded models similar to those downloaded from artificial intelligence that have an albedo texture alongside them, we can use those too in this manner. Once more, I will import my models that have albedo textures with them. Don't forget that your albedo texture name must be the same as our main files. We can export all our models with albedo textures. Now I'll bring a few more models. You might have several models with different bake textures and different albedo textures, and here you can bake them all together. Well, as you can see, the namings are also clear, and I hit Start Bake, and it automatically starts baking everything for us. If you stick to the naming conventions, the script will automatically find and pair models with their textures for baking. This saves you from having to open every single file manually. To prevent any errors during the process, it clears each model from the scene after baking it, then moves to the next. At the end, you'll get a notification showing how many models were successfully baked.
If you enjoyed this script and find it helpful, you can download it via the link in the description below.